Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to repost on Instagram. So you need an additional app and can download the application from Google Play. So first let's download the application. Open your Google Play Store. As you can see, the name of the app is Repost, and I already installed this application. So after the installation, tap on the option Open. The application is open now. Here is the option Copy Link, and click here. So before doing this, let me tell you one thing. When you copy a link, this application will ask you to log in to your Instagram account here. So don't worry, you have to log in to your Instagram account here. So after doing this, close this application, go to your Instagram, and here is the post. From here, you have to tap on this arrow icon and tap on the option Copy Link. The link has been copied. Now here is the post. Close this application and open the application Repost. Now tap on this as you see it and start processing, which may take a minute. So as you see, here is the post now. If you want to copy the caption, tap on the option Copy Caption. But if you don't want to, then let it be off. So we don't need to download this post. We will repost it on Instagram. So here is the option. Repost and tap on this one. So now it's up to you. Suppose that you want to repost this post on your chat, feed, reels, or in story. But as I said, I will post this on my feed. So that's why I'm tapping on this option. Feed now. Crop your photo. If you want to adjust this photo, then tap on this. And as you can see, the picture has changed. Now tap on this arrow icon. It's up to you if you want to add an effect or music. But I will let it be as it is after doing all this. Tap on the option Next. From here, you can also write the caption yourself. By tapping on this, write a caption. But if you don't want to, then tap on the option Share. So, as you see, I reposted this on my Instagram. So, it was an essential way for you to repost on Instagram. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We are eager to hear from you.